Is the box?
It has something inside, and we'll see what it is.
Is it a toy surprise?
Yes!
Ooh, toy surprises are so good. What is it?
We got a remote, we got a boat.
A boat? Let me see, up close. Ooh, it's a torpedo boat. Is that a remote control boat?
Yeah.
What?
And I think that's the remote controller they have.
Yep, there it is. Oh, I can't wait to play with this.
Let's see.
All right.
Hi, we opened the box, and here it is.
All right.
And we're gonna put it in the pool and see how it works.
Let's do it.
Let's play.
Ooh, there it goes. Whoa! No way! Try to turn it this way. Bring it back. Uh-oh. Got out of range. Okay, there it is. Let's go. Whoa! Look at it doing circles! Keep going. Woo! Speedboat! Yeah! Oh, it goes backwards! No way! Man, nothing. Here, let's see that control pad. So it's just forwards and backwards, and it does the propellers. Man, that is so awesome! What an awesome yellow speedboat with remote control. This is so cool. Do you like it, son?
Yeah.
Going backwards. Woo!
Let's make it come to me.
Okay, do it.
How do you go forward? Forward.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh, it's like back in the cave. There it goes.
Got it.
Haha! Hold it up to the camera here.
Look.
There it is. That's how it works.
Let's go in the hot tub and see.
Okay, let's go in the hot tub. Wow, so cool. All right, well, we gotta go. You have anything to say before we go?
Bye.